Neutral mode disengages the electric motors, allowing your Model Y to roll freely. This is crucial for car washes and towing. Unlike traditional cars, it's software controlled, not mechanical. As of January 2026, Tesla has refined this feature through OTA updates for enhanced safety and ease of use. We'll cover how to safely engage and disengage neutral in various scenarios. First, ensure your Model Y is parked and powered on or in park mode. Next, press the brake pedal to activate the controls. Then, shift to neutral using the gear stalk by pushing it forward or select N on the touchscreen. For newer models from 2025 and later, you may need to swipe or tap for confirmation on the screen. The touch screen will clearly indicate when neutral is engaged. Remember, this step-by-step procedure is designed to prevent accidental engagement of neutral. Automatic car washes are becoming increasingly common for Tesla owners, and understanding how to use neutral mode is crucial for a smooth experience. When preparing your Model Y for an automatic car wash, neutral mode allows the conveyor belt to move your vehicle without any resistance from the electric drive system. Without neutral, the vehicle's drive system could resist the conveyor's movement, potentially causing damage or preventing the wash from functioning properly. Neutral essentially disengages the electric motors, letting the car roll freely on the wash track. This image shows the typical automated car wash process. The car is secured by a conveyor belt that moves it through stages like foaming, rinsing, tire cleaning, underbody washing, and brush scrubbing. Neutral mode ensures the vehicle doesn't fight against this movement. Normally, regenerative braking helps recover energy when you slow down, but in a car wash, this could cause the car to decelerate unexpectedly on the conveyor. By disabling regenerative braking in neutral, the vehicle coasts smoothly without electronic interference. This diagram illustrates the regenerative braking system. In normal driving, energy flows from the battery to the wheels, and during braking, it flows back to recharge the battery. In neutral for car washes, this energy recovery is bypassed to allow free movement. Traditional cars use a mechanical gear selector with an H pattern, where neutral is positioned between gears. Tesla's electric architecture means neutral is entirely digital, controlled through the vehicle's software for precise, safe operation. This shows the familiar H-pattern gear selector from manual cars, with the red line indicating the neutral position. Tesla eliminates this mechanical complexity, making neutral activation as simple as a touchscreen tap or stalk push. Here's a simplified view of your Model Y shifting into neutral for the car wash. The vehicle transitions from park mode to neutral, allowing the wash system to take control. Remember, neutral is only for car washes and towing. After the wash completes, always shift back to park immediately. This recalibrates the systems and ensures your Model Y is ready for safe driving with full regenerative braking restored. For flatbed towing, neutral is a prerequisite. This mode allows the vehicle to be moved externally without engaging the drive system. After shifting to neutral, engage tow mode through the touchscreen menu. Controls, then service, then tow mode. Tow mode unlocks the steering wheel and secures the brakes, ensuring the vehicle can be safely transported on a flatbed without any movement or damage. Using tow mode with neutral prevents motor damage during towing. The combination disengages the electric motors completely and prepares the vehicle for external handling. It's essential to use tow mode. Merely having it in neutral is insufficient. Both modes work together to protect the vehicle's systems during towing. Always engage neutral on a level surface to prevent unintended rolling. This precaution ensures the vehicle stays stable during car washes or towing, as neutral disables the motors and allows free movement without power. Disable autopilot and any active driving features beforehand. These systems rely on motor engagement, so turning them off prevents interference when the vehicle is in neutral mode. Ensure there are no passengers or loose objects that could cause accidental shifting. Neutral allows free movement, so securing the vehicle prevents any unintended inputs or shifts during handling. After using neutral, shift back to park and restart the vehicle to recalibrate the systems. This ensures all software and sensors reset properly, maintaining optimal performance. Avoid using neutral on slopes as hill hold assist is disabled. Without this feature, the vehicle could roll backward, posing safety risks. Always use low gear or park assist on inclines. Tesla has significantly improved the neutral function through software updates. Versions 2024.44 and 2025.2 introduced confirmations and haptic feedback to reduce accidental engagement. These updates added confirmation prompts and tactile feedback on the touchscreen to ensure users intentionally activate neutral mode. A service mode toggle in the Tesla app allows remote neutral activation for maintenance, enhancing safety by reducing the need for physical access to the vehicle. These improvements reflect Tesla's commitment to user-friendly EV operation, making neutral mode safer and more convenient. One common mistake is forgetting to exit neutral after a car wash, which can lead to unintended rolling of the vehicle. Tesla has improved this with audible alerts in recent updates to prevent such incidents. Another issue occurs when using neutral on inclines, as the vehicle may roll unexpectedly. Always ensure the Model Y is parked on a level surface before engaging neutral to avoid safety risks. For flatbed towing, simply being in neutral is not enough. You must also confirm that tow mode is enabled through the touchscreen controls, as this disengages the motors and secures the brakes properly. By following these guidelines, always exiting neutral promptly, using level surfaces, and enabling tow mode when needed, you can safely utilize neutral mode in your Tesla Model Y. Looking ahead, Tesla may introduce AI-assisted neutral activation in recognized car wash locations via geolocation. Integration with car wash apps could enable seamless entry-exit. Future Model Y versions might include battery management optimizations to prevent over-discharge during towing. As EVs evolve, expect even more intuitive and app-controlled maintenance features centered around neutral.